weeks ago I was having a bit of a clear out, what the Scandinavians might call death cleaning, and I came across my old video camera and I thought, well, before I get rid of it, I really ought to make sure there's nothing on there that I wouldn't want other people to see. And much to my surprise, I found video footage for 4 recipes. So this is a short series of videos called Titley's Lost Kitchen. Titley's Lost Kitchen. The first one is for baked rigatoni, which is kind of like a lasagna but without the faff of having to make a cheese sauce. Less talking, more cooking. In a large pan of boiling water, add 175 grams of rigatoni. Drain after about 8 minutes and refresh in cold water. In a bowl, combine 250 grams of ricotta and 150 grams of grated mozzarella. Mix. That looks very mixy. Into a heated pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil and 450 grams of minced beef. Break up the meat and cook it until it's brown. Brown. In a separate heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a chopped large onion, and cook until the onion is translucent. Now add 2 chopped cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and stir well. Now add a tin of chopped tomatoes, a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of thyme, a tablespoon of dried parsley, half a teaspoon of dried sage, and season well with salt and pepper. Mix well. Then cover and simmer for 20 minutes. Now take a baking dish and put a smear of the tomato sauce on the bottom. Add half the cooked rigatoni with a few spoons of the tomato sauce. Whack on the cheese mix. Now add the meat. And press it down so it's all nice and even. Add a few more spoons of tomato sauce. The remaining rigatoni. And the last of the tomato sauce. Finally, sprinkle 100 grams of grated mozzarella on the top, then bake at 160 degrees C for around 25 minutes. When cooked, it should be golden brown and smell awesome. Ooh, I'm looking forward to dinner this evening. Rigatoni was named in honour of Tony Baldini, who was exceptionally good at raising his tackle. Join me next time in Titley's Lost Kitchen with me, Titley Nihan. Until then, Huda Hafiz.